Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Play Store on your iPhone. So simply open your Safari browser, go to search option, search there to play.google.com, press enter. Then you get this option. At first make sure to sign in. Okay, now I'm signed in my Google account. So follow the top bar showing here three different way: Windows Phone and tablet version. I'm just select phone version. Then showing here to more apps, game apps, and look for showing here more apps. Okay. Or if you want to find any apps, go to search option, search here, and you get install option. Okay, like I'm trying to install this game, press on install. But when you try to press on install option, then you get this option: but iPhone don't allow to install any game from Play Store on your iPhone. It's only control from your any Android phone from this iPhone. When you press on install, then install this game, this device, not for iPhone.